So I have two garage door openers. One of them is making more noise as compared to the other. So it seems as if the other one is probably vibrating more. So I am going to do a rough test to see which one is vibrating more. So this is the one which is making less noise, and I think it is vibrating less also. So let's see. What I have done is I have put a water bottle on top of this, and I will operate it. Once I operate the garage door opener, this should vibrate, and then I will compare it with the other garage door opener. Let's see. So as you could see, the fine vibrations which are coming when it is close to closing and in between also. So let's do this test again also. I'll make it a little bit more closer. Let's see now. Let's do it once again, and I will put my hand also on it to see how it behaves. So let's do the other garage door motor now. There it is, that one. So let's do that now. Other garage door motor, let's see how it works. So it definitely is moving much more than the other one. And let's check it again. So I have this with me. And again. So this definitely is moving and vibrating more than that one. That is why it probably is making more noise. So it seems like it's a problem of installation. I'm not sure what is wrong because I'm not aware of how the proper installation should look like. So I'll explore a little bit more and then see. Thanks for watching.